Good morning, El Nido, Palawan. Welcome to our second part of island hopping dito sa El Nido, Palawan. So kahapon, pinuntahan namin yung 4 na magandang isla dito. Tulad ng Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Seven Commando, and I forget the other one. Pero dun kami kumain ng lunch namin. And dun na din kami nag-rest for a while before dun sa pinakang final na pupuntahan nga namin, which is yung Big Lagoon. Kasi nga, which more on kayaking, so kailangan ng energy. And then, hindi ko na siya nasama sa vlog natin kahapon, pero pumunta kami kagabi sa El Nido Town proper. Nag-drive kami from Aquaholics dito sa tinutulay namin, papunta dun sa town proper nila. Para siyang poblasyon sa Makati, tapos tinry namin dun yung gelato. I had my yogurt, and then si Cars and si Jen, hazelnut, I think yung sa kanila. And then, andun din parang talagang puntahan ng mga turista paggabi kasi andun ng bar. And then aside from that, we also tried the color game. Meron kaming clip noon, sabi din namin. And then, nag-ikot-ikot kami dun para bumili ng pasalubong. Tapos yun nga, meron pang event dun sa plaza nila. Aside from that, kumain din kami sa Mazabor kagabi for our dinner. Ayun pala, before kami pumunta sa El Nido Town proper, we tried na makahabol dun sa sunset sa Marimekmek Beach kasi kilala din sila dun sa magandang sunset doon. Yung location doon, parang siyang Ayala owned kasi parang siyang ano din, pinaliit na green belt. Parang ganun yung setup niya doon. Tapos parang more on mga expensive shops, stores yung nandun. And meron mga ilan-ilan bar. Pero hindi kami masyado nakapag-explore. Nandun din also yung Vanilla Beach. And then we just had some photo shoot there. Ayun, yun pala hindi ko nasama sa vlog. Sa part 1 ng vlog natin. This is going to be our continuation of island hopping here sa El Nido, Palawan. Basically, we will have another paradise na pupuntahan namin dito sa El Nido, Palawan. So, samahan nyo lang kami. And sana mag-enjoy pa kayo dun sa ipapakita namin na island hopping experience. And sana magkaroon kayo ng interest para i-visit ang El Nido, Palawan. Andito na ako ngayon sa area namin para kumain. Waiting ako kay Jen and kay Car. So this is what we got for our breakfast. So we have longanisa, sunny side up egg, garlic fried rice, and a banana. Time check, it's 8:32 and papunta na kami ngayon sa port para dun sa island hopping namin today. We rented a snorkeling device, 100 each.
Okay, paskill mo kami doon. Nalagay ka sa YouTube.
Hi, good morning. Siya ang aming tour guide for 2 days.
Bata ko lang, ito.
Si Kuya.
Yay!
finally magkakasama kami sa isang kayak. Hi guys! Ang gwapo ng tour guide namin tsaka nag-ano namin.
Kuya, hi ka naman! Hi!
We have the best tour guide.
Yeah, ever!
Ay ba, pwedeng bumaba dito?
Parang dahil mo ng kamera nan. Ba't ang itimbidan?
Subscribe kayo kay Kuya Big Boy. Kuya Big Boy ng YouTube mo?
Big Boy Explore po. Thank you.
Not wasting any film.
Hoy!
Ay, sama to sa vlog. Ano yung surfing?
Balik na kami ng boat. Going to our next stop. Super ganda dito. And we had so much fun. And some photo shoots dun sa area kanina. Just finished snorkeling here in this area. Then pupunta na kami sa lunch. Update guys!
Pagbawa po natin ng aqua shoes, tapos dalhin po natin bottle water natin.
Papunta na kami sa aming lunch. Ito po ang lunch namin for today. So this is what I have for lunch. Again, adobo, pancit, and saging. Yan pa sila.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove.
Guys, so kakatapos lang namin kumain and meron kaming 15 minutes para magpababa ng kinain. And then after that, pupunta na kami sa fourth stop or fourth location namin for this island tour. So, yun. I'll just show you another montage. Hindi na ito tubig nagkakayak.
Wow. Grab kayak. Please say hi. Why? Why? Ikot. Ang sabi ko sa inyo. Wait. Uy, wag tayo dito. Malalim dyan.
Mag-snorkeling na lang tayo.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. Take what I
Hey, big boy!
make a move.
Hey, big boy! Nasaan tayo, kuya big boy?
Do what I'm
Saan tayo ngayon? Ito pala yung hidden beach na tinatawag. Hey!
Ano ba ito? Uy, baka...
Nagasgasan na.
na ba kami?
Ang bigla kami ngayon sa hidden beach.
my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
We're now heading to our last stop for the day. And so far, all of the islands are so good. Gaganda. And we were able also to witness and to see some clownfish. Yeah. Yun, ang ganda doon. Kahit low tide siya, na-enjoy pa din dun sa hidden beach. Nandun yung mga clownfish and other type of fish. Yeah. So right now, let's just go to our last one.
See life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Sige, filman tayo, sis. For our last stop, nandito kami ngayon sa Matinloc Shrine Paradise. And nagbayad kami ng 200 pesos each para sa entrance fee namin. So, yun. So, ito yung itsura niya nung pagpasok namin. So itong trip natin is meron ng kasama hiking. Let's pick para sa magandang spot. So, pabalik ulit kami ng bangka and we're going to end this tour na. But I think meron pa kaming pupuntahan mamaya pagbalik namin sa Aquaholic. So, natuloy namin and then mag-refresh. Magpapaka-fresh lang kami and then gagala na ulit kami mamayang gabi. That's the end of our trip. Pabalik na kami ngayon na aming tinutuluyan sa Aquaholics para magayos na aming mga sarili. Oh my God, may bato. And then, siguro, magsa-side trip kami ulit sa town proper ng El Nido. Patay ito po. So, dito kami ngayon sa Hub Kitchen sa El Nido Town proper ulit and we will have our dinner.
Oh, you got my heart beat running away.
Basically, that's our 4 days and 3 nights here in El Nido, Palawan. We just finished our island hopping and yung pag-explore namin dun sa El Nido town proper. Actually, kakauwi lang namin from bar na pinuntahan. Tapos, nagdaan din kami sa El Nido Public Market to buy additional pasalubong. Actually, it's already 12:16 ng Sunday. Later, 5 AM, susunduin na kami nagpapunta sa Puerto Princesa Airport. So, basically, that will be 5 to 6 hours. So, it will be a long trip again, then going back to Manila. This will be our outro for this vlog. And we can call it a day. So, thank you so much for watching. If nakarating ka sa video na to, I hope you had fun. And sana nagkaroon kayo ng interest para mag-visit dito sa El Nido, Palawan. Well, itong vlog hindi niya lahat na-cover, pero I hope you have witnessed the glimpse of the beauty of this paradise. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe. And hopefully, manood pa kayo ng mga susunod na video natin and marami tayong vlog pa na pagdaanan. Thank you so much for watching!